let's teach them beats.
Yeah.
So we say Boba Cup,
You whisper Boba Cup like Boba Cup. Boba time.
And then when we put it in the rhythm, it's like Boba Cup, Boba Cup. Yeah, okay, so you got that beat. Go practice that.
Write it down.
Yeah, exactly, write it down. You've learned your first beat.
Ding! Can they get their own lives?
Nah. I don't think you know this one. Maybe you do. The beat is boom, clap, tight butt crash. Boom, clap, tight butt crash.
Hey.
Yeah, that's it. Boom, clap, tight butt crash. Boom, clap, tight butt crash.
Boom,
Clap, tight butt crash. So, you can jam like this once you learn how to beatbox. Go teach your brother or sister or dog or father or mother or
dog,
or cat or bird or elephant. You've learned your second beat. Ooh, for the third beat, you need to learn.
chicken.
For the third beat, you need to learn a new sound. The sound is what's this called? Right?
Puffs.
Puff what?
Snare.
Puff snare. Whoa, Joao, you're doing well.
Yes, finally.
How many blocks do you have now?
11.
11. So it looks like you're gonna get these bag of chips, huh? Crispy chips. So how do you do puff snare? Can you explain it to them?
You put your lips together and the teeth go to your lips and push air out.
Yeah. So now you can learn the third beat, which is yeah. Do you know the word tickle? Do you like being tickled?
No.
Do you like being tickled?
No.
Oh, Joel asked if you're scared of being tickled. If you're scared of being tickled, comment no tickles.
Tickle, tickle.
So, you can think tickle or ticket. Ticket to the train. Tickle, tickle. This
Low key.
lets you do it fast. Congrats! You have learned the third beat. Up next, the fourth beat is the bouncy beat. Nice! Ew, don't smell it. Why are you smelling the chicken?
Because I like to eat chicken. Because I'm a dog. Yeah, I born as a dog.
Congrats, you've learned the fourth beat. Now, you're gonna learn the fifth beat and final beat for today, which is the pocket beat. Pocket, pocket.
Whisper it.
Let's whisper it.
Pockets. 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 Pockets.
Pockets. You've learned 5 beats, congrats. What's next is sound effects. Sound effects. Ooh, so we're gonna teach you the drinking water sound,
And the water drop.
the water drop.